Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update all the applications on your iPhone in a single click. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, open up the App Store on your phone, on your iPhone, and then you'll have to tap on your profile on the top right corner and then simply scroll down, and right here you'll be able to find all the apps that need update. You can see there are 15 or 16 applications that need update. Now you'll have to scroll up, and right here you'll be able to find an option of update in front of each app, but you can notice one thing, that you'll be able to find an option of update all on the top of all the applications. All you'll have to do is to tap on update all, and now you can see all the applications have started updating, and they will take some time to update, and you will not have to click on all the applications manually to update. So that's how you can easily update all the applications on your iPhone in a single click. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure